In this tutorial, I will show you how to manage personal tasks with ClickUp. First, open ClickUp and log into your account. Go to the Home section from the sidebar. This is your main dashboard. Here, you will see your inbox and updates. This helps you track notifications and activity. Now, go to My Tasks. This is your personal task hub. You will see all tasks assigned to you. Tasks are organized into sections like Today and Overdue. Today shows what you need to do now. Overdue shows tasks you missed. Next, look at sections like To Do, Done, and Delegated. To Do contains your active tasks. Done shows completed work. Delegated shows tasks you assigned to others. Within To Do, you can also see categories like Next and Unscheduled. This helps you plan ahead. Now, use the Personal List feature. This is where you can add private tasks. You can add things like appointments or reminders. These tasks stay separate from teamwork. You can also set due dates and priorities. This helps you stay organized. That is how you manage personal tasks with ClickUp.